Guys, when life gives you lemons, just make lemon cake. This one is going to be eggless, so to your sour milk add in bicarbonate of soda, mix and set aside. In your mixing bowl, add in the sugar, mix in the lemon rind as well as some of the lemon juice. Mix in the oil, followed by the sour milk mix. We can now add in the dry ingredients, which is the self-raising flour, a little bit of salt and baking powder. Mix until everything is well combined. Pour into a greased baking dish and bake at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. I hope that you give this a try.